Okay. Ugh. Whoa! Did you hear that? Did you hear my neck crack? Whoa, you heard that? Oh my goodness! Imagine if I start cracking my neck, it goes... I'm kidding. Okay. Yeah, but... Okay, how would I transition to the be right back screen if... She was like a streamer to me. I loved her like a clock. Okay, I'm back. Wake up. Hey, wake up, I'm back. Okay, people, I'm here. I'm still here. Hello? Hello? What are you doing? Cool habanero. Fume KY. Joel Lantis Novelog for all the cronies that can't afford SC or membership. Are you guys listening? Thank you, Lantis. Oh my goodness. These cronies. Guys, get your ears checked. Get your ears checked! Anyway, continuing while chat considers to write me off. Okay,